It really changed a lot of things. We stopped having problems with people, employees not showing up, not doing their jobs to the highest quality that they could because they're.
Grow your cleaning business, make more money, have more time. This is the Profit Cleaners Podcast with your hosts, Brandon Condry and Brandon Shane.
Hey everyone, Brandon Shane with the Profit Cleaners, and I wanted to share with you guys just one other really cool thing behind the scenes that we've been doing. This screen that you see right behind me completely transformed our business. And if you're not already incentivizing your employees and rewarding them for really good behavior and encouraging the things that you want to see more of and discouraging the things that you don't want to see, you need to get something like this in place, which is what we call our bonus report. I'm not going to get in too much into the details because we kind of talk more about this in our inside members area and our courses and things like that. But essentially, if you can set up something like this where you're tracking not only employees' like performance, but you're also showing them like these are the things that we want you to do well on, whether it's show up on time, whether it's tuck in your uniform, whether it's have your cars cleaned or your spaces or your areas, your stations cleaned, whatever it might be, to bring to mind, like front of mind, what is important for your company, for the customer experience, all those things that you're trying to improve. Whatever you're trying to improve, you should track. So that's what we're doing over here on our bonus report spreadsheet. This is public for all the employees to see, and they even actually get a bonus, an increase in pay every 2 weeks if they're hitting all these things correctly. So you can be creative how you want to do it and how you want to set it up, but just wanted to touch guys on a really cool system that we have that, again, once we implemented this in our business, it really changed a lot of things. We stopped having problems with people, employees not showing up, not doing their jobs to the highest quality that they could because they're incentivized, and money talks, and it's a really powerful tool to incentivize your employees. So guys, we'll be sharing more about this bonus report real soon, but I just wanted to touch on it, tell you how powerful it is to get one. So get something like this going in your business, again, to encourage and incentivize your employees to take you to the next level, step up your game, and just increase the quality of your business. A rising tide raises all boats. So check it out, guys. We'll have more videos on this soon.